Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Guess who this is? Day 66 on the east side of Leighton Mills car park. Anyhow, today's anti-estrogen solutions. So many things that go for it and against it that it takes about 5 minutes, but as usual, due diligence. You don't want to be stupid. Right now, anti-estrogenic antidotes. Because of the overloading of the endocrine and lymphatic system of estrogens free, there has been a number of reproductive cancers occurring at a higher than normal rate. Look up at stats, it didn't start happening until the 60s. Then cancers of all types started to become apparent in America and Canada. What changed? Right, a few things changed. Exposure to pesticides had increased. Exposure to toxic pollutants had definitely increased. The removal of foods from a diet which maligned to be a problem, but in fact were not. And new food and dietary guidelines that were introduced that were in fact cancer causing, such as soy and margarine. Food additives and chemical preservatives. Plastics that contain foods and detergent which are xenoestrogenic characteristic. This means they're synthetic estrogens that will in fact react the same way as plant estrogens, but in a higher concentrated levels that will bind to what are known receptor sites. These are areas of bodies that are triggered by hormones and enzymes which cause a chemical reaction. The estrogens coming from without are dangerous because of the way they accumulate in the body and the reaction they cause in the body. In the case of estrogen, they'll lead to cancer. There's 50 years of research to validate this. Now, since high estrogenic foods have been into the diet, the results are males are becoming more mentally and physically dysfunctional. Women are breaking down more rapidly than the predecessors did. It's being exposed to dish soap, latex, fuel oils, carboning, clothing, and on, made with synthetics, exhaust fumes from petrol products, clothing. The idea of biodiesel or biofuels will only worsen a bad condition already existing and will compound the effect. Right, now we get to the bit we're all thinking don't happen. So how do you heal it? How do you reverse it? And the old question, can we? Yeah, you can do a bit. There's herbs and supplements, vitamins actually regulate estrogen, remove the excess out of the body by the liver, and there's other means of exposure from the body. Massive list of food and herbs here, I won't go over them all. As usual, these will be on the website. I'll go through the bases. You got vitamins here, which is really minerals. Zinc, iodine, selenium, magnesium, sulfur. Herbs that can assist in the removal of estrogen from the body. Watercress, turmeric, good stuff, turmeric, garlic, onion, shallots, parsley, mint, celery root, rosemary, gotu kola, neat. I've had that for years. Thyme, milk thistle, dandelion, lady's thistle, ginger and galangal, summer and winter savoury, olive leaf, oregano, perilla, balm of Gilead. That's balm poplar. Right, that is basically on that. You've got foods can remove or block estrogen. Nuts and seeds. And don't forget these are sprouted or germinated if you want. Omega-9 oils, avocado, rice bran, wheat germ. I've got some of that. Papaya, that's nice. Pineapple, berries. It goes on. There's celery, parsley, kohlrabi, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, onion sprouts, broccoli and broccoli sprouts. Now, you eat from grass-fed. Because grass-fed, now grain-fed will encourage the hormone imbalancing due to the excess of omega-6 in the fat rather than free. Grass-fed cows have 15 times more omega-3 than fish. Now, if you're buying ocean caught fish, make sure you increase your garlic or sulfur-based supplement with vitamin C to offset any potential mercury or lead poison in the fish. Ground flaxseed. Due to the high fibre content of the lignans, which will bind to the estrogens and then you'll get rid of them. Make sure you grind it fresh, not store-bought. That's basically it. Now the anti-aromatizing plants and herbs, there's a whole list of them. And I won't go through them, there's about 10 pages related to different chemicals. They basically say what it is. Now you make them as teas. If you're making it in a powder, you put them in a capsule. Or just drink it as a tea, if it's powdered form. If you have to, mix it with oil, pill form, just swallow it, wash it down. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. All the best. Bye.